Middle one, yes.
We are from Lions Club of Kalangut. Sagar is also member.
इसका वाइट पेंटिंग
Was he diagnosed with anything like autism?
हाँ इन तो बंद
Old age homes. We've gone to many places that we've done studies. Yeah, so we've gone to old age homes, special schools, normal schools, where we screen and build awareness so that people are aware. So in Goa, it's not very developed.
No, yes,
This,
yes, yes.
So we're trying to
Just make it, yeah.
Dr. Krishna Reddy, he's a chairman from
definitely,
so he's also a major contributor of this.
Just I'll take this.
Sure, sure.
Give you a brief on the SR Chandrasekhar.
No,
You take it.
no, I just want the video by.
Yeah.
I'll just take a video.
Can you ask him in which year he's hearing?
बघू त्याच्या कानात नका ऐकू त्याच्या कानात ऐकू नका या काय त्या
No? Can you ask him which year he's hearing?
आता पर्यंत ऐकू पर्यंत आहे ना
No.
हां
It's only in right one.
त्याच्या कानात नका ऐकू या काय या
Yeah.
कळू नका
No?
आता पर्यंत ऐकू त्याच्या कानात नका ऐकून सांग बरं त्याच्या कांदा पाहिजे दाखव बॉटल सगळं आता परत त्याच्या कानात नका
I'm a speech language pathologist. So I represent from the college Dr. Chandrasekhar Institute of Speech and Hearing. So we are doing a screening camp all across Karnataka, the districts of Karnataka. So we've done so far the districts of Karnataka. Now we are in Goa. We are going to cover up places in Goa too. And so this is a mobile bus which we take around, and this is helping the public who cannot access hospitals very easily. So we've got old age homes, schools, special schools, orphanages, and done screening, and even to general public everywhere possible. So what we do here basically is the routine of our testing is we call the patients in, whoever are interested, or we give awareness and then tell them who are the population at risk, and then we tell them about the screening. We also take their history, the demographics, and then we screen them, basic audiological screening and speech screening. So we recognize if they have a loss or no. In case they have a loss, then we suggest that if they have a loss which requires hearing aids, and then we go ahead with giving them hearing aids. So our chairman, Dr. Krishna Reddy, he's also he's told that they have come to a conclusion that these hearing losses will get a hearing aid. So in our college, in association with Lions Club, is doing this charity for all districts, all the population in different districts in Karnataka. In Kalangut, we've got in Goa a very good response so far. Kalangut, we've been doing since 2 days. So we went to one orphanage and one homeless home, and it was really good, the response there. So we've got good number of people who are at risk. We have to do multiple evaluations and get them the hearing aid. Yeah, totally in Goa we've screened about 700 patients so far, and so it's, and so we're carrying it out further in other districts, other colleges.
Thank you. भाई आज एक मोबाइल वैन करोड़ पे आया है तो क्या कार्य करते हैं?
See this special hearing and speech van which is out here in the Kalangut from 2 days now. Actually this is Lions project with the Chandrasekhar Hospital, Hearing and Speech Hospital from Bangalore, which actually the chairman of that is also a line member. So we have taken an initiative for whole district 317B. So it has started from Sirsi on 24th of September. And so it's carrying on from there to, it has come to Siddhapur, Karwar, Mangalore, and now to Kankon, to Vasco, and now it is moving on from further this side, and now it will from here it will move to Belgavi. So it is altogether nearly 60 days of a tour, which is going to be conducted or held up with these people. So the basic reason behind this is there is a lots of people who have got the hearing problems and the speech problems. So we are trying to create an awareness in the people, see what exactly is the issues, what can be cured up. So the doctors which is available with us, they are examining them up. We are just trying to make as of now, the data. Once we have the data fully available, then we will see who else needs the hearing aids, or who other needs what other type of a treatment that is needed. So in second round, after the 2 months, it will be given, we will be coming back again into the same circle. So whoever needs the hearing aids will be given for free of cost. And anyone who needs a speech therapy or anything else, so the clubs has taken an initiative that they will be transporting them to Bangalore to that special hospital, so where they will be treated out as well. So basically it is an awareness come to the product and like a social reach to the public. So these kind of things are not available everywhere. If they are available, they are available at a very high cost, and also you have to go to the hospitals, be in the queues and all kinds of things. So we are trying to reach to their door, try to be as helpful as we can.
रिस्पॉन्स कैसे है?
Very good response. Very good response. Yesterday we started over in that Jeevan Anand in Para. I think 35 inmates are there. We did them first. Then afterwards we went to Living Waters. That there also we had around 22 inmates. So today since morning I think we have crossed nearly 30-40 patients we have already crossed. And it is going to be till 5 o'clock in here. And tomorrow we are going to Chodan. Day after tomorrow we are going to the Kalangut St. Alex Church. And on the 21st it's going to be the Panjim Kadama bus stand, and on 22nd it is going to be the Arpora. So that is the plan as of now. On 23rd, if we have another club, yes. If not, then 23rd is bus will shift to Belgaum. Thank you.